Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a really practical piece of audio gear that can significantly tidy up your setup and enhance your sound quality. We're talking about the HUALEU Right Angle 1.4 TS to XLR 3-pin male audio cable, specifically the convenient 1-foot, 2-pack. One of the immediate standout features is that right angle 1.4 TS connector. If you've ever struggled with limited space on a pedal board, behind a mixer, or in a rack, you know how much of a difference this design makes. It allows for a much cleaner, more compact connection, preventing cables from sticking out awkwardly and reducing strain on your ports. Durability is clearly a priority with these cables. They feature a flexible rubber jacket that isn't just about easy routing. It's engineered for maximum flexibility and resilience. This means the cable can handle the demands of regular use, whether you're setting up for a gig, recording in the studio, or just managing your home audio system. Adding to this robust construction, the connector housing is crafted from heavy-duty zinc alloy. This provides exceptional protection against physical damage, ensuring the internal connections remain secure and functional even in demanding environments. When it comes to signal integrity, HUALEU has equipped these cables with gold-plated brass connectors. The gold plating is key here, offering superior corrosion resistance. This translates directly into a more reliable connection and a stable audio signal transfer over time, minimizing the risk of signal degradation or intermittent sound issues. At the core of its performance is a high-quality conductor system. The cable utilizes a 20 AWG 6N silver-plated copper conductor. For those unfamiliar, 6N signifies incredibly pure copper, and the silver plating further boosts conductivity, ensuring your audio signal is transmitted with remarkable clarity and fidelity. To keep your sound pristine and free from unwanted noise, it also incorporates a 95% plus coverage tin-plated copper braided shield. This comprehensive shielding is highly effective at minimizing electromagnetic interference, delivering a clean, hum-free audio experience. The wide compatibility of this microphone cable makes it incredibly versatile. With its 1.4 TS mono to XLR male configuration, it's perfectly suited for a variety of applications. Whether you're connecting microphones, electric guitars, audio mixers, or amplifiers, it provides seamless interface conversion. The fact that it comes as a 2-pack is a fantastic bonus, offering great value and ensuring you have a spare or can connect multiple devices right out of the box. For anyone seeking a short, high-performance, and exceptionally durable right-angle audio cable, this HUALEU offering is a solid choice that promises reliability and superior sound.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.